5 model Peterbilt roll-off truck, 308,000 miles, and get on it and go. And what are you saying? Who bid $75,000? 75.5 and Albert, $75,000 for home, and did you not get 75 and 70, 30,000 miles. We got a little road ho. 30 now, but you not get 35.5 and now you not get $40,000 for home, internet and Albert 40. 35 and Albert 40. Come on, Albert $40,000 for home, be 40, and now you not get 45. 40 and Albert 45, 5 to 5, be 42, 5 and now 45 and Albert 45. $45,000 for 45 and now you not get 47.5. 47, 50,000 and now you not get 55. 55 and now you get $60,000 for home. 55 and Albert $60,000 for home, be 60, be 60, be 60. Come on in, friend, and Albert 60. 50, 60,000 and now to get 62.5. 62.5 to 5 to 5, 5 and Albert 62.5. I'm at 60,000 on the internet and Albert 62.5 to 5 to 5, 5 and Albert 62.5. Are you all done? And Albert 62.5. I'm at $60,000 on the internet and now to get 62.5. I'm at 60,000 now to get 62.5. 62.5. What are you going to do? And did you now, Albert 62.5? You all done, everybody? Everybody? I sold the truck for $60,000 to the internet buyer number 1138.